Okay, this is the default setting with the TAGARNO system. Auto exposure is turned on, but you can see that the autofocus is also being auto exposed. So what I can do is actually I can come in and I'm just going to go ahead and clicking left on my control panel, because we're looking at a bright metallic object, I'm going to turn our auto exposure to low compensation. So if I wanted to tell my auto exposure to be brighter, I can tell it to be brighter, but we get that washed out. Otherwise, I can tell the auto exposure to bias itself toward darker. And so that way, as we move up and down throughout the zoom range, we still have that auto exposure, but it's compensating itself for a much darker or a much brighter thing to be looking at, which is really helpful, particularly when we start wanting to look at like metals, things like that. Another thing you'll notice that as I'm moving around is I'm not actually using the TAGARNO system's built-in light. I'm actually just using ambient light. And so we get a little bit of noise, but what we end up getting is this kind of very soft, even illumination from the room. It's, in terms of illumination, we would almost call this global illumination.